Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining again. So as you have read from the caption, today I'm going to show you the journey from Bangalore to Chikmaglur, which is approximately 270 to 80 kilometers from Bangalore. From my place it is almost 300. So I have started around 4 o'clock in the morning, I think so. Yeah, around 4. It is going to take almost 6.5 hours, but if I will drive continuously, obviously, but going to take multiple breaks. So let's see how things will be. Obviously, I will not be going this far alone. So one of my friends Suhas will be joining me. So we've decided to meet near BIEC in Tumkur Road. So I have reached. He's not. I'm going to wait for him for some time. Let's see. Luckily, I don't have to wait much time. In 5 to 10 minutes, he came and we started our journey. So this is the Bangalore Tumkur highway. After I think so couple of kilometers, there will be a left turn nearby Neelamangala. So that is the turn which we are going to take, and then the ride will continue. Let's enjoy this. We are going to stop for petrol. I filled it before starting the ride. Suhas has to take petrol, so I'll just wait for him. Here I thought, why to wait? Let's go. There was a nice sunrise happening, so let's click some photos and videos. Obviously, that is also one of the reasons we go on a bike ride, to get more pictures and photos and the beautiful sceneries all around. After a couple of photos and videos, we've started again. This is the Bangalore highway. Since it was a holiday weekend kind of thing, I was seeing so many bikers and traffic. Oh my god, too much it was. But yeah, so many bikers and riders. It was good to see so many people. This was food culture. I've seen reviews in Google. It was a nice place, but we decided we'll stop after some time for our snacks, because already it was little late. And as I told, because it was a weekend and a holiday, so much traffic. We were thinking it will be a nice ride, but the traffic was a lot. one thing was definitely there. Both the sides of the road was amazing, full nature beauty, and it was very smooth, right? The traffic was there, but because it was a highway, it was nice. And we reached Hassan district. This particular place, I'll tell you, as you will go towards Chikmaglur, this road particular right now which is there's so many bumps. Every 100 meters, 150 meters there is a bump. That means it is Hassan district. As we are going more near to Chikmaglur, the road was becoming more and more narrow, and because it was the traffic was more, it was little difficult to drive because there is no divider, road is narrow, so have to be careful. Right, this road is also not maintained much, so be careful while driving over here. And obviously over here we have to stop because there was a lake and there is a windmill. Amazing view over here. And we reached to Chikmaglur. Welcome to Chikmaglur, land of coffee. I hope over here coffee will be cheaper. This is the market in the Chikmaglur. Both the sides will find only hotels. And this was little surprising. We were going and it was written thank you for visiting Chikmaglur city. We didn't even reach to the mountain. After 10-15 minutes of driving, we reached to this left turn which was leading to the mountain ranges. Over here you have to pay little entry fees. For the bike it is 10 rupees each bike. For the car I don't know how much it will be, maybe 30-40, but for bike it is 10 rupees. And carry cash because I don't think so they have that UPI or QR code. From here both the sides will find only coffee plantation, pine trees and the forest kind of thing. That view on both the sides after just 5 to 10 minutes of driving, it was wow. Again, there was a checkpost. Oh my god, the view on the left side, it was unbelievable. It was really appearing we reached to Kashmir or something. Both the sides, the mountain, especially the left side, the mountains ranges were like, wow. Definitely I have to stop here for some photos, and we stopped. But yeah, the view was breathtaking. After seeing little clearly, we saw there was a road on the far of their mountain. There we have to go. Oh my god. That's when I realized, oh my god, that much far we have to go. That is what we were discussing over there. The thing which I was a little bit worried about, the traffic. Because it was a weekend, the traffic was a lot. It was good that we came by bike. If we would have come by car, then oh my god, it would have taken double the time whatever we are taking from the bike. So much rush and the long line. My god. From that place, it took not more than 1 hour or 40 minutes to reach to top of this mountain. But the person who are there in car, for them it will be like more than 1.5 hour or something, or 2. There is a small market here where you can get some snacks, water bottle, anything whichever you need. After that, again you can start your journey to the end of top of the mountain. Actually, small trekking if you wanna do, you can do, or the cars and bikes also can go. But the road is very bad, so be careful if you are going by car. You have to be very much careful. Here it is, the peak, the end of the road where you can see the vast mountain range. After staying there and clicking few photos, we saw there is a road to go more up. So we decided let's go there and see what else we will find. And also the famous, we were searching for that Neelkurunji flowers, but everywhere all the flowers, they were, I think so the season is over. So we couldn't find much. So in search of that also we started going more and more up. But be careful while driving in these ghat roads, because the road is not good at all for driving. If you are a skilled person, then otherwise you can book the jeep. There is a jeep service available. They will take you to the top of the mountain. They are experienced, so that will not be a problem. going more up, we found this right turn. This was not a route, but we saw there is a path, at least a bike can go that side. So we decided, let's go and see what is there. And luckily we found the top of the mountain, the Nilkurunji flower, and it was breathtaking, amazing. Whatever word you say, it is not sufficient for this particular view which was there on top of it. Our bad luck, we didn't find one flower also bloomed over here. No, sorry, we found one flower and that's all which was there. Apart from that, all the flowers were there, but they were not bloomed at all. So this is the one, at least. We stayed here for 1 to 2 hours, I think so. How the time passed, I don't know. But it was good experience. Seeing the mountain ranges with that Nilkurunji flower all around, it was amazing. So that's it in this video. If you enjoyed watching it, hit the like button, and yes, share with your friends and family. That will definitely help me grow more. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell icon so that next as I'll upload any video, you'll get the notification. See you again next time. Thank you very much.